If there's anything I can do, just call on me and I'll send it along with love from me to you. They got all the care we want, and their hearts are oh so true. Just call on them and they'll help you along with love from me to you.
Hello! You can see my shoulder there, but I just want to give you a nice surprise. How are you all doing today? You feeling great? I'm feeling fantastic. I just want to say that with this Home Not Alone project, we are feeling so energized and happy writing cards to all the people who need them the most. Who are we writing these cards for? It's for people who are in the houses who unfortunately won't be able to come out because of these circumstances, basically being shielded. So we write these cards to brighten their day, make them smile, and to say to them that they're not alone, we can get through this together, and just be you. And also writing lovely messages encouraging them to be saying, thinking about yous, you're not alone, we can do this together. Now I'm going to tell you more about the collaborations again. But there'll be some different ones. Collaboration. We are in collaboration with Sandfield Park School, Growing Happy, More Than 7, and the Liverpool City Council. Who have done fine work to get us all together to do these cards to make everyone happy. I think it's time for another tutorial from Holly, as I pass you over to Holly herself. Take it away, Holly.
Today's video is a very special video for all of the pupils and families at Woodlands School. So we're going to be making a card like this for all of you at Woodlands to give a go at drawing. So what you're going to need is a plain piece of white paper or any coloured paper, it's up to you, a glass, again any glass, a rubber, a black pen if you have it, but a black pencil is also fine, a normal pencil, and then some different colours to colour in your rainbow and your oak leaves and acorns. So I've got lots of different colours. I've got a red, orange, yellow, blue, light brown, dark brown, and then a dark green and a light green. But you can use any colours that you like. Make it as colourful or as realistic as you like. So to start with, we're going to fold our piece of paper in half. To make our card shape. And then once we've got our card shape, we're going to start by drawing the oak leaf. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to draw a straight line, and then this is for our branch, and then 2 lines down, and then this is going to go off into 3 mini branches. Like this. So they're splitting off and they're all joining together like that. And then we're going to have a leaf down here. And the leaves are like little squiggles. With a line down the middle. And then we're going to do the top one. Like that. And then we're going to draw our acorns next off this branch here, this little mini branch. So we're going to give the acorn a little hat first. So it's an oval with a C shape. And then we're going to draw our acorn off the bottom. And you can give the hat a couple of lines to give it a bit of texture. And then we're going to do the same, so you can twist your paper around to a landscape way so that it's easier, and we're going to draw another little hat and then another acorn like that, and then we're going to twist it back to portrait, and we're going to draw our leaves, our central two leaves off of here. So this is going to be behind this leaf, so we're going to make sure that it looks like it's behind. Like that, and then another leaf which is going to be behind this leaf. So again, we're not going to draw over it, we're going to come out this way. That's a big leaf, like that. So now that we've got our oak leaf and our little acorns, you can add more acorns if you'd like to. We're going to get our glass, because this is going to help us draw the rainbow. And you can put your rainbow wherever you want. You could put it on the side, you could put it one underneath, one on top, or you could put it just behind your oak leaf. So you can choose where you want your rainbow to be. And we're going to draw around the glass like that, and that gives us a nice semicircle to work with, a good base to draw the rest of our lines off. So I'm going to draw one inside this line, don't worry if it's not perfect, it doesn't matter, you can always correct it. So now we've got our rainbow on the outside of our leaf. So the next thing I'm going to do is get my black pen, and I'm just going to go over all of the pencil marks that I made. And if you don't have a black pen, that's okay, you don't need to do this step. Okay, so now that I've gone around it in my black pencil, I'm going to grab my rubber. I'm just going to go over all of the bits that I went over with my black pencil and rub out the black pen, sorry, and rub out the pencil underneath. So now we've got our outline. We can start colouring it in. So I'm going to take my red pencil, but if you have pens you could use pens as well. I'm going to colour in the outside of my rainbow. Remember, you don't have to colour your rainbow in the same colours as me. You could use your favourite colours if you wanted to, or different colours. Then I'm going to take my orange, and then my yellow, and then I'm going to get my blue. So now I've coloured in my rainbow. I'm going to get my dark brown, and I'm going to colour in my branch. With the same pencil, I'm going to colour in the tops of my acorns. And then I'm going to get my light brown, and I'm going to colour in the main body of my acorn. So then I've got my light green and my dark green. So I'm going to start with my light green, and on the top of every leaf I'm going to colour with my light green. I'm going to take my dark green pencil and I'm going to colour in the other side of our leaf. So there we've got it. You've got our oak leaves coloured in. So we're going to take our black pen or our black pencil again, and we're going to write the hashtag home not alone. Along the bottom, and then if you would like, you can put the name of your school. So Woodlands School. Make it a bit bolder. Go. There's the finished piece.
Thanks for that, Holly. It was quite interesting, wasn't it? I've got my pens and I've got my pen, paper and colouring ready to draw it. I want to thank everyone involved in this project because of the amount of lives that we have changed and helped. One card, one text, one word, one chat to any one of them will make their day. And I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone creates. And we could also be making new friends during this period as well. In my own experiences during this pandemic, I've made lots of new friends. Spoken to people I've never spoken before. Spoken to people from other parts of the country. We will be united and we will be stronger when we get out of this pandemic. Let us keep making everyone happy. Let us keep going. We can't stop now. We've come through this so far. Keep going. Believe in you. Stay strong. Stay safe. And we'll get through this together.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white. The bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a